What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a Crockpot cherry cobbler, and you're saying to yourself, Black Owl, another Crockpot cake, man? You better believe it, because you know me. Can't stop, won't stop, Crockpot cake, that's the way I get down, baby. I get down. Cake, I love it. So, we're going to have some Crockpot cobbler today. Pretty much the same thing as the cakes I've been making, though, following up on my cake series, because it's kind of like a dump cake deal. We're going to dump it in there and boil. We're going to have some fun when it's done, and to get it done, we got to get it started, buddy. So, first thing that you got to do, got to get some cherries, man. Kind of like Neil Diamond. Cherry baby, she got the way to move me. Cherry baby. So, I got this cherry pie filling, man. And it's crazy, man. Kind of like what would Sammy Davis Jr. is like, that pie filling is crazy, man. So, go ahead and put some of that pie filling down in the bottom of that crock. Today I got 2 cans. A little bit pricey, but you know what? The hell with it, baby. Had to have it. So, went ahead and put that down in there. Now, we're going to go ahead and get some of that yellow cake. And remember what they said. Don't drop that shit, boy. It's yellow cake. So, go ahead and put the yellow cake mix in there. Smooth it out, looking like Frosty's butt. Now, go ahead and get your yellow cake down in there, sir. Good. Good. And you're saying to yourself, like, oh, couldn't you have got some cherries and made your own preserve and kind of canned it and stored it for a couple months and then pulled it back out, put it in your Crockpot and made your Crockpot cobbler? Well, you know I could, but you know me, buddy. I got time for that shit stuff. It was the can, the yellow cake, and last but not least, kind of like Columbo would say, I think there's one more thing that I'm forgetting. I went ahead and put some melted butter in there, sir, and that's going to help it brown and get down with the get down. So, put the melted butter on top. We're going to put our lid on top, and then we're going to let this thing sit for about 3 to 4 hours or so on high. Just enough time for you to go and watch some highlights of yesteryears past. You know, Thanksgiving's come up. Go watch Planes, Trains, and Automobiles. So, let's go ahead and close the lid and get it done. And when it's done, boy, we're going to have a sight, and we're going to have a big, delicious bite of this Crockpot cherry cobbler tonight. It was so good, I almost forgot what it was called, but I remembered after all. So, let's go. Alright, baby, the time has come. The Crockpot cherry cobbler is done. And I'm having that first bite. So, let's go ahead and get a little bit of everything in this one delicious bite. Yeah, so, I even had to put some ice cream in, because you know you can't have no cobbler without some ice cream. So, got some cookies and cream ice cream today. With a little dollop of that, if you will, sir. Get over here, get your back over here. Ooh, goodness. Perfect, man. The cherry on top, if you will. That cherry cobbler's so good. It's warm, gooey, good cherry flavor. Crispy on the outside. And that butter gives us some nice savory notes. Along with that nice little ice cream on the side that don't hurt nothing either. So, I want to thank you, little sweeties, for stopping by another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm going to have this plate, another plate, and we're going to see where the night takes us. So, we'll see you next time. Ooh.